Alright guys, here's my first video for the final assessment problems that I assigned that are due on Monday, June 8th. Alright, my problem 1A, which is similar to yours, you can see says, is a triangle with side lengths 12, 16, and 20 a right triangle? Explain. Alright, so what I have to do here is sub these numbers into the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem states a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and that theorem holds for a right triangle. So if I sub those numbers in for the a, the b, and the c, and I evaluate that equation and I get a true statement, I get the same solution on both sides of the equal sign, then I can say that those numbers represent a right triangle. Now, when you sub in, you always want to sub the two smaller numbers in for your A and your B and the biggest number in for the C. So in my problem, I'm going to replace the A with the 12. So I'm going to have 12 squared plus 16 squared equal to 20 squared. Okay, 12 squared means 12 times 12, which is 144, plus 16 squared, which means 16 times 16, which is 256. Equal 20 squared, which is 400. Then 144 plus 256 is 400, and you can see I get the same number on both sides of the equation, so that checks out, and therefore my conclusion is that the triangle with these side lengths of 12, 16, and 20 is indeed a right triangle. So I can say yes, it is a right triangle. Okay, now on problem B, it's the same type of situation, except I just have different side lengths. So again, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and I'm going to sub those smaller numbers in for the a and the b, and the biggest number gets subbed in for the c. In my problem, you can see that I have 9, 12, and 15. So I'm replacing the a with the 9, so I'll have 9 squared. I replace the b with the 12 and have 12 squared. Replace the c with the 15 and have 15 squared. So 9 squared means 9 times 9, which is 81. 12 squared means 12 times 12, which is 144. 15 squared means 15 times 15, which is 225. And on the left side, I combine the 81 and the 144, and I get 225. So you can see I have 225 equal to 225, so that checks. Therefore, I can say yes, it is a right triangle. All right, that's the end of my first video, and I'll be posting a couple more for the rest of the problems. Have a good one.